game.
Hey. Oja madu we dem ba na wa chemi muti no ane ma na course ni bi no. Na who's a course no anyway ya. Na ba we die me say. Enye yi kra. We die. Apostle dem mambo bobo so meba. Na eno ade ba ko na enwan ye. Time has equalizer ne buy no. Na Rainbow Natu. Na eno so verse mo me hwe kakra. Time has for ne ti omoka na stadium on where said the name si corner said I want to see city as in ti Rainbow na ato no. Na eto ye no kanate harana kanate ti na park no bia ye yeza
Rainbow ni na dare
no na ato no.
Masa.
To na hwe said na omo supporters ni job ni ade adumuzo na no na nya de keto akra. Na ano edin pa. Na ano edin. But after the game no commodity course so say reserve. E jam the mark club ya Kumasi Asante Kroko head coach no also disappointed. Results e be no na nkenye no pe. Komosi no di timi e de fa.
We are very disappointed for them to score, but we are not discouraged. This is a league, and we have a lot of matches ahead of us. So having draw here isn't bad. It is not what we were expecting, but it has come. So we go back and work so that next matches we can get the maximum 3 points.
Atiano ya komo bomo di etimi edi etu dwabo amane makwe after no ebisa no say observation be ana dem pa. And on the foot of play no who you jiri say bebo ama kotoko nkan konema ko edi amom.
A very good match, and the rhythm of the game was very, very, very active, and in fact I'm very impressed about today's game. Yes, last week we all saw the performance of the players. In fact, it was very disappointing, but today they showed that indeed they are here for action. We still need to work more in the finishing. You saw that we had a lot of chances.
Atiano ya komo bomo di etibere tujare ina bo amane makoyere man Kofi Yesu Samobodu also no view on the game yebisa no say game na nkasa no say no so no komo say no so dijai.
It wasn't a bad game, but though the na hwehwe say na hwehwe the game no, but when him say with time no gradually anyama ebe you outplay Kotoko because we know we are far better than them, but it's quite unfortunate yenya akonya no contempt say the game no bibia, but for Kotoko to score us that I told them say they should keep composure. Now definitely we come back. We know Kotoko their strength, so definitely it's quite fortunate that we drew with them.
Ati no yet sema obobo de etiberi jari na we di rom etimiera man after no ebisa on zaza no game udi hwie after match na 9 points when you 2 pe eno so no asa no edin kakra o.
I'm saying make me because this is not how I want my boys to be, but then it's rather look you put it this one into consideration. All the 3 matches that we are playing is very difficult matches, and some other we know how to move match after match.
Atiano ya komo bomo di etimieri jera after no you former players out do no back on Steven Manu bie na bie na bisa no say has score to game no obaba behebi na game na nkasa no ende 1-1 na oniun komo kakra and komo say na Steven Manu bie bomo di the fa game no.
I think say game no there na me expect say Kotoko be finish game earlier on, but football chances in the one barrier are end no cut out we ball and the house boy na me say Kotoko at least one match kwanya be 3 goals chances in the ba we wasting now at the end has a better we move on. Well
Atiano ya komo bomo di etimiere tujana na nkonfo e Steven Mukwala Kadiogo no ya huniye enra so no kra na as a finish na you kakra na de no so kan fa ho
because Mbela ni fe go ba na mo ye it is a match say na so the good it is a match we ba na go chance ni na two e say na pressure about it because ball and no boy at least e say continue 2 goals ma Kotoko ba waste chances ni na
Atiano ya nkoma Steven Manu bie bo mo de etimedie Kofi Owusu Deko Deko ye former Okwa United Kim Pfizer, Adriana, Brekum Chelsea omo player. Na Adeko Zube her match in after game no. Ere bi na zo no so game ne sen.
Okay, na 2 teams no mambo. My idea because but the woman ever. Into the meeting I say 2 teams na ya. Me dey one of them my hu say okum because the aim is so be bo ase. The first doesn't mean so okum.
Auntie, I know you're some more carry for game on afi Steven Mukwala. After no Koroko fans and also be Kasai on draw Munya, you know. It almost so Bomodi and Comosin on Mudifa.
But and then born out of Bobo in the Maniaji, Oma Bobo, Papa, so far, Oma Bobo. So I'm continue Bobo and say the Biadia, they show say meeting Aji Legino, my idea. Oh, the Macacha supporters in I say, I think I started Legino. Some about 3 matches, some 2 points. I think I started Legino. And see, my Yenina young contribute to not Yamwa boys, young vampire bonnet, young motivate you. Seriously, Mukola no, or a striker with me dash it, by the go shenye. Seriously, Sankambella no one now, and Kebia Yashabe tributes. But minim say, I feel no swaba or Bogana Bono, into minim say all bon Katan, and the first league our bone, into minim say Conadino, obey to me improve Kakra. Coach, another selection, taxes or boy, and then so far, nay.
Ati Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotokom supporters on na omo church o madwen so omo gidi so obo ne de o manwe ne de ba o mayade pa na mo fans ne to aso ma me nyom ne de ze no mu hu bi pa na na see na netie Ati enra the realm no na after the game how to folk our supporters in so ni to nyina na omo so nyom no ni namusa Ati eno ye nra de course no na uzampa mezea ne na namu ati uni akudwuma na kotoko na after the match no out to folk supporters no na ne omoye Burkina Kadiogo bezo omo de no omo reka what ba kona na ne omo di huru club ya fo no ti mame na mo keto me kwere ba pe be ya fo na trance na ya rewra mo game ne mu kakra na ya hwese de hon komo no esi etie zanse hon common de pa na awakuwi no na ti be na mo kitu me ko ba ya pe ye de common aka na to aso de amamo
They'll play a high press to force the mistakes.
They'll dominate the aerial ball. They're too tall. We will handle the pressure and smash them on the break.
The number 9 has scored in their last 5 games.
The passing will be quick, decisive, precisely.
There will be drama in the dying minutes.
This match will mean more than 3 points.
They will have the home ground advantage. This is why I bet.
This is why I bet.
This is why I bet. Betway.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly, not for persons below 18 years.
Charlie, some things can be very painful, like hitting your toe against the corner of a table. Or a failed cash transaction because of insufficient funds. But that's where Vodafone Cash Overdraft will help you shop life regardless. Vodafone Cash Overdraft is the latest innovation that adds to your Vodafone Cash wallet when your balance is not enough to pay for your Vodafone transactions. Just dial *110#, select option 5 to opt in. screen. Now, let's say you won't buy 50 cedis monthly data, where you get only 30 cedis for your Vodafone Cash wallet. You will get a notification saying you can access additional funds to complete your transaction. You accept the offer, done. Overdraft. Oh, say yeah.
Oh, yeah. The new Vodafone Cash overdraft service allows you to access additional funds to complete your Vodafone Cash transaction. Be it paying for your broadband subscription, buying airtime or mobile data, or even sending money. Terms and conditions apply.
Vodafone.
Atu akwenya so babo modin wakona wakwakoche wadwena apo amane makoye pere amama dike aka se ne matches awodo na bekoko koso amanone ebiso koso abibrema ni nyina ne international friendlies no UEFA Nations League no ene de aka karoti e betway hono ye bekona yakwakoche adwe dike aka sa ade na ya adwenche na oche wadwen giska de MSF pa Nina so her matches on series kwa Brazil be she we what disca be iska kuma bi e na adi ram na aboa na ne makoye pa etimi edi amani no fie du wotwe a emfa oho enram izanza agro na mpinfo de die di ne ye kra anya football nko a ye bɔ modern ara sporting discipline ni nyina no obekoro akwakocho agena Vodafone for medical kaze ne unye registration a ye ne 10 Vodafone cash registration e also ye ne 10 pa na the omodi aba na ehu echenkro yi ano eden pa ni nyina no eye Vodafone Cash overdraft na tienie overdraft no nyati o say ye no anza pa Vodafone fo ye adwuma pa ni nyina ze azi nei brofu bi na ya ba insufficient balance ene we share baby girls na pe kakra mo no bo so pem so ade no 50 ba wa wo so a person ye 100 but upushi ana ba inso sa brofo no Vodafone mo ma so ye adwuma na Vodafone Cash overdraft no tinie yezeze ne onam baby a wo kwakoto ade osika nka se da wallet ne 70 Ghana ade na akoto na 100 Ghana cedis a chama en ha ho na ade no Vodafone fo bebo mo ato ne simple kra ni nyina ne ze ne overdraft we no mo di aba no odi ane se obo modin na maba beche wade bia be follow ebo ama ne ma koye pere ama ne no odiska kase na ma ya na ha adwen tikakra bi ritu phone no so na wa check the okwa akoto no entu ko opeso otwi a enso pe Vodafone for be ne de ewram kama pa etimi era ma na de tienie odi anso be bo star 110 hash eyepe na wa select option 5 after no obaba wonde no wa follow prompt no na opt in na qualification no account odi dem da say ne Vodafone Cash overdraft no onso de babe koye pere amanti ade na akoto a 50 Ghana cedi ne da wallet so a ade ye be say 80 Ghana no omo bɔ modern na 30 Ghana no ye de asoso etimi ye de ama and ize woni so omo de no ye nhemra bi amfa nto so ever maze say na tie dabi say bra na bebe twa omo de ne ntesa emre sem no nya ska na now de ababa be wura omo ze mo a eno kokodu baby data yi ope 50 Ghana de credit no pay 50 Ghana de o de ayo niema 30 Ghana ne da wallet so amepacho Vodafone for ebebo amani no wetimi ato 50 Ghana no 20 no omo de be so eno ye Vodafone Cash overdraft eduti baby aze o say ye no Sompa Vodafone Cash overdraft no ena ababebo azia Ghana de adwuma no mu ye bi pa anti tentem pa eye Voda Cash na so do ho etimi ewram na ebo ama na makoye pa etimi ede ema Vodafone further together amadaro mama bo ama ne no sikatwia no ne ade no kra ye fo a ebo ama na makoye pere mama menko na me sha se fefi max ni ewra game no mu kakra na ye resere ne mazidi migi
abu
fa me sha se nra Ghana game kese pair bono wa ha 170 die bibiri ti fa mi ramu.
Well, I think that your various talking points will game anymore. You bet me di hun komo bebre na Nyankopon yadema wukwada ana community to ye bedi but the atiane say Asante Koroko LV under a game no feeling very disappointed not in the fact that Omabo draw but the score line could have been a more favorable outcome for them.
Oh, okay.
Endra Kotoko omo lack of killer instinct in the game enedi omunya. I have read comments